Hey there, this is our newest e-bike chopper project. Anybody who recognizes these, this is like the Pep Boys ones they sold in the, throughout the 90s, electric scooter. This one had a 36 volt battery setup with 36 volt motor, and it looks like 350 watts or so. So it was a really nice model, had a speedometer, and it was set up to look like a Harley Davidson or a little mini chopper, right? And so what we're going to do is, obviously it's a wreck. I picked it up off of Craigslist. The guy wanted 50 bucks, and I handed him 50, gave me 10 back. So we paid 40 bucks for this. And the original motor was 350 watts, and it would do about, 13, 14 miles an hour. We already have a kit set up and picked out that is a 2,000 watt go-kart brushless motor with a twist throttle for this thing. So we're going to see, it might be death defying, but we're going to put 2,000 watts to this little mini bike and kind of bring it back to life. We're going to strip it, paint the frame. Probably we're thinking like a candy apple purple, something like that. Not really bring it back to its full chopper form, I don't think. Any comments, leave them in the video for sure. But just kind of thinking a stripped down, basically, I don't know, mini bike without all the fancy chrome and all that stuff. And I don't know if we need turn signals or not, so, or the gauge cluster. We'll see how it turns out once we get the frame stripped down. So now I'm gonna go ahead today and take it and strip all the electronics out of the thing. Nice thing is it came with the sprocket, the motor, the chain, the rear sprocket, even though that's a little bit small for what we want. The new kit's going to come with a bigger sprocket and a thicker chain. I don't think this chain's going to hold 2,000 watts worth of juice to it. But the nice thing is that the mounting brackets and all that stuff that's right here, which has an adjustment to it actually. If you look at it, the way it's set up, it adjusts in and out. We'll be playing with this soon, but the new motor hopefully will just slide right in here. It might be a little bit bigger around, but we can figure out a way to attach it and kind of work with that. And we're going to upsize the tires. These are little like 5-inch tires, something like that. It was something crazy. Yeah, it's something like a 5-inch tire. So I already sourced mini bike tires for this thing, which are 9x4 fat tire for the rear, and it comes with a sprocket and it's metal. These are actually, the back one might be metal. Is it metal or plastic? The front one's plastic. No, this one's metal on the back. That's good. The front one, however, that's plastic. So that'll be going away. So we fully expect this little mini chopper to be capable of 35 plus miles an hour with a 2,000 watt motor in it. So no plastic allowed. So we're going to get to it. Stay tuned, and we'll post videos as we go and kind of share our progress.